Hi guys! Welcome to another video vlog. Sasamahan nyo naman ako. I-share ko sa inyo yung aking na-invest while working in BPO. Yes, you heard it right. Ito ang aking bahay na na-acquire ko way back 2018 under Pag-ibig Loan. So on the latter part of this video, I'll tell you how much it cost and paano ko siya na-avail. So right now, you can see pagpasok mo, meron niyang libreng fence na kasama na along turnover, and I have the mini pocket garden. I have this garage na pinatiles ko, pinakover ko siya buo para may privacy. I have my fur babies there. Meron akong electric fan for them para hindi naman masyadong mainit. And also, pasensya na magulo yung ating garahe kasi we are still working on it. May bala kasi kaming bala kong ipaayos. So, kaya as is muna siya. So, as you can see, pagpasok mo sa loob ng pinto, makikita mo na yung kabuuang itsura ng ating bahay. This is a 46 square meter lot area and a 46 square meter floor area. I don't know, 46 or 42. Either or. So, then, ang maganda lang kasi dito, guys, is sliding door, which is a space saver. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-move ng furniture. Hindi mo kailangan mag-worry na kakain pa ng space yung ating pintuan. So, yan. Tinakpan ko lang siya ng kortina para natatago yung ating pinakapinto. And then, I bought this sofa in Caparal along with the center table. This is an L-type sofa na gray. Gray color yan actually. Pero since to make sure na naiingatan natin yung ating gamit, bumili ako ng sofa cover sa Shopee. And since maliit yung ating bahay, kailangan natin ng medyo pampadaya. That's how I come up with buying a huge mirror. So technically, pag bumili ka nito ng brand new, this is around 10,000 yung nag-inquire ako, which is super expensive for me. So, what I did is, naghanap ako sa online and finally, nakita ko ng tig 2,500. This is a free love item, by the way, guys. Pero super smooth, super flawless, super perfect, walang basag. Okay? And then, bumili tayo ng shoe rack sa Shopee. So, our shoes and slippers. You know, may sarili silang lagayan, hindi tayo makalat. So, this is my entire living room. Maliit lang siya, guys, pero super maganda naman siya in person. And this is where I spend almost half of my day doing, watching TV, Netflix, YouTube, like that. And also, I have this TV na super gamit na gamit since nabili ko ng 2019. So, this is a Skyworth 55 inches smart TV. And then, I partnered it with Sembron, which I bought in 2018, na ginagamit ko lang yan if gusto ko yung parang medyo appealing yung audio pag nanonood ako. Pero super ganda yan. Then, mahilig ako bumili ng mga decorations sa Shopee. And I wanna share this one. This is a mini lampshade that I bought in Shopee as well. Good thing about this, kasi bukod dun sa pinaka-lampshade niya, is meron siya mga outlet. 3 outlet, tapos merong control yung kanyang power for the outlet, and it has 2 USB port. Na-try ko na siya sa electric fan, pero I don't wanna take a rest. Yun naman, medyo di natin sure yung capacity niya. Then, at the back of my TV, I have this PVC wall. Yan, so half-half. Iniisa is actually plano ko dyan, guys, is lagyan talaga ng buong PVC wall. Pero sabi ng asawa ko, maganda naman daw tingnan kahit half-half lang siya. So parang medyo pang accent na lang. And then yung aking cove light or cove ceiling, nagpalagay tayo. And just to, since malit nga ulit yung ating bahay, naglaan tayo ng mini storage sa likod ng ating TV, which is under the stairs. Yan, nandyan yung ating mga sikretong kalat. Andyan yung ating vacuum, mga walis, mga hindi natin madalas na ginagamit na items. And also speaker, since masikip nga dito sa may bandang TV, naisip ko na dyan na lang yung speaker. Pero guys, gumagana yan. Pinapagana ko yan. Alright, and this is by the way, I have a video of this Sanyang TV console. You can see that on the other video in my channel, how we assemble that. Alright, so next to that is our comfort room or our toilet and bath. So, as you can see, maliit lang naman yan guys, pero hindi naman mahirap gumalaw dyan. Nagkabit tayo ng mga lagayan ng ating mga groceries para hindi tayo makalat. Yan. So, ang number 1 tips lang naman pagdating sa stairs, panatilihin mo lang siyang malinis. Maliit yan, basta malinis, good to go. Okay, so next naman tayo, dito tayo sa ating kitchen area / dining area. So, bumili ako ng wine rack. Yan. So, ginawa ko is pininturahan ko siya ng white, then nilagyan ko siya ng gold strip. If you have noticed guys, ang aking theme talaga dito sa bahay is white, gray, and gold. Gold is for the accent only. Pero wag masyadong madaming gold kasi hindi na siya maganda tingnan. Yan. Yung aking chandelier. Yan. Dito na din yung ating groceries, lagayan ng ating plato, utensils, like that. Actually, nagpaplano ako bumili ng cabinet dito, guys. Or magpapagawa ako ng buffet cabinet. Pero, yun nga, since medyo tight pa yung ating budget, so, naka-drawing pa siya, naka-plano pa siya. Then, dito naman sa side na to is nandito yung ating pinaka-nook area or coffee area. So, you can see, nandyan yung ating mga chips, kinds of coffees, you know, energy and like that. So, then, nandyan yung ating microwave sa pinakababa. Then, sa ngayon, wala pa tayong kitchen cabinets since pinag-iipunan ko din siya. Ang plano ko kasi is aluminum. So, since medyo may kamahalan siya, hindi natin pwedeng basta-basta ipagawa. Kailangan talaga is planado and, of course, meron tayong budget. So, dito sa ating kitchen is meron tayong exhaust fan. So, para pag nagluluto is hindi masyadong mainit or let's say smelly or may odor yung ating niluluto is hindi siya mag-circle around the house since maliit nga yung ating bahay. Then, itong ating LG refrigerator. Meron akong video nito guys kung saan makita niyo yung pag-avail ko nito and magkano yung ating natipid by using this inverter type na refrigerator ni LG. And in fairness, gusto ko yung performance niya. Maganda. Okay, so let's move on now. Akit na tayo sa taas. Okay, sakit naman tayo sa ating second floor. Ito nga pala ay concrete na yung hagdanan. Tubular yung ginamit nila at meron siyang wood na handle. So, naglagay tayo dyan ng naglagay lang ako ng wallpaper para kahit paano may accent naman pag umaakit tayo ng hagdanan. Okay, so by the way nga pala guys, just short info, I availed this house way back 2018. Amortization ko right now is 6,700 pesos. Yes, mura po talaga noon nung i-avail ko siya. Right now kasi pag kumuha ka ng same unit ko, mga nasa around 8,000 to 9,000, 9,000 to 10,000 na siya nung nag-inquire ako. Yes. Ito sa ating malaking wall, I decided to put a Sintra board compilation for our memories like weddings, the birthdays, yan, mga pamangkin ko, yan. Sintra board to guys, which is dust-free, pagpagpag lang pag gusto mong linisin, and also laminated na, so safe siya from sunlight, hindi siya madaling kumupas or nag-fade yung color. Then dito is meron akong maliit na altar since iba yung religion ng aking husband. He agreed na, he allowed me to put a mini altar lang here, which is ina-open ko yung lights niyan pag gabi na. So maliwanag yun pag gabi. So let's start with our master bedroom slash mini office. Since work from home ako, so dito na din ako nagtatrabaho. Ito yung parang pinaka-office ko sa gabi habang natutulog yung aking husband. Then this is a queen size bed. And then we have our projector, yung nakatakip ng white dyan to avoid dust. And then we have our cabinets and also my bags collection. Yan. Nandiyan din yung aking mga collection ng aking mga Korean. So, yan. Okay, so we have our Sharp Tratex split type aircon na gamit sa gabi pag naka-duty ako para hindi mainit. Alright. So, dito tayo dito sa side na nandito yung aking mini office. Yan. So, I have my equipments here for work from home setup. And I have my vanity things, like perfume, everything, gamot, first aid, andyan lahat. Alright, so then ito actually, pagka morning is ino-open ko yung bintana, tinataas ko yung blinds, ino-open ko yung bintana for ventilation. Mahirap kasi yung kulog yung bahay, diba? So, pag walang natutulog, ino-open ko lang siya. Yung labas na yan is I'm planning to extend that. Gawin ko siyang balcony. At the same time, plano ko mag-add ng isang room. Siguro pwede ko siyang gawing office room. Diba? Why not? So, mag-iipon muna tayo. Wala namang masamang mangarap. Push lang ng push. Okay, so let's move with the second room. So, since 2 bedrooms lang to, itong second bedroom natin is, pasensya na ha if medyo magulo kasi since wala namang natutulog dito, nilalagyan ko lang siya ng mga tambak ko. But pag may nagsistay naman dito sa bahay is nililinis ko siya. So it has electric fan, it has aircon for para hindi mainit. Yan, nililinis ko yan guys, promise. Wala yan lahat kalat na yan pag may nakastay dito. Kakalis lang kasi nung bayaw ko since tapos na yung kanyang sem break. Yes, so I'll try my best guys to create another video para ma-share ko sa inyo yung paano yung mga naging plans ko, process ko, requirements on how did I acquire or purchase this house. Mahaba-haba pa, ilang years pa na bayaran, pero isipin mo na lang, this is your own house. You can do whatever you want. You can, fulfill your dreams inside this home. This is your own home. Yan. So, for now, ito muna yung masashare ko sa inyo and hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. And I'll do the best that I can para mas mag-improve yung ating pagbablog. So, please like this video kung nagustuhan nyo. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button para mas ma-notify kayo if ever meron tayong mga additional or upcoming videos in the future. Thank you so much, Kababsi! Bye-bye!